Hey, good day everyone. Welcome to the Cooking for Man channel. We're going to be doing some overnight oats. It's going to be dates and banana. First thing we're going to start with is our oats. Half a cup, quarter cup of dates, which I've chopped up in small little pieces. 1 scoop of vanilla protein, a tablespoon of chia seed. I'm also going to grab a handful of almond, which I'm just going to crush in my hand just to make it easier to mix with the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna close that up and I'm just gonna mix all my dry ingredients together. It's a lot easier to do it that way than you're not getting stuck with the big amount of protein just stuck together. I'm gonna use half a banana. Easiest way to cut a banana, just grab it, just pull on it. Real easy to do. I don't need a knife or nothing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a fork and I'm just gonna crush that banana and just to get it into my mason jar. It's a lot easier if you crush it before. Then it's when it's time to mix it, the protein doesn't stick to it as much, and then it's easier to get like a even distribution. I'm gonna put a bit of cashew milk. This one is unsweetened vanilla cashew milk. You can use the unsweetened almond too. That always works. It's good to change once in a while. Change a bit of the taste. I'm gonna put a bit in it, start mixing, and then I'm gonna put another batch of cashew milk, and I'm just gonna get that mixed together. This is what the texture looks like, and then that's what should be done. Really easy. Don't worry, the oats is gonna suck up a bit of the milk overnight, and then the next day you'll get some nice little texture. So you guys have a good one. I hope you enjoy it, and then see you soon on the channel.